Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today's video is going to be a styling video using a As I Am product. I am not new to As I Am, nor am I new to this product in my hand here. This is the curling jelly. My very first YouTube video, I had the styler in my hair and I thought to myself, I've never actually did a styling video using this product. Can you believe it? I've been using As I Am for about 3 years now and I absolutely love the brand. Before we get into the application, these are the results. This is day 2 here. I love the definition. I love the hold. But most importantly, it leaves my hair so soft and shiny. As I said, these are the results, day 2. If you shingle using this product, the results you're going to absolutely love. I just did a very quick wash and go. But as I said, if you shingle, oh my goodness, your hair is going to look amazing throughout the entire week. So the product that I'm talking about from As I Am is the curling jelly. This is the coil and curl definer. It also says achieve shiny coils, which is true, and curls in high definition. It provides flexible, long-lasting hold. This is designed for wash and go styles, and it also says it's created with thoughtful care for your hair. Now let's look at the instructions. It says apply the As I Am leave-in conditioner liberally throughout clean detangled hair. While your hair is still quite wet, smooth the curling jelly into small sections from root to tip. Define each section by gliding each section between your thumb and forefinger and rotating the ends around your fingertips to form a coil. So that's more like shingling. And I 100% agree, because when you shingle, you get the best results using this product, but you also get excellent results just on a wash and go without shingling. You can use the pre-hand method. I didn't use either. I just made sure every single curl was coated with this product. For the application, I generally apply gels in smaller sections, but this is no stranger to me. I just made sure that every single curl was coated with the product. I did use quite a bit. Now, something that I'm not happy about, because I've been using this product for a very long time, I did buy this at Clicks. When I opened it up and I took the seal off, there was quite a bit of product missing. They are not filling up these small little tubs the way they used to a few years ago. So that is something I'm not happy with when it comes to the brand. Please fill these small little tubs up the way you used to. I think when I opened it up, there was about so much of the product missing, and that was a disappointment, because this is small, it is pricey, but it is an excellent product. So having bought this after a very long time, not very happy as I am. After applying this product all over my hair in larger sections, I do let my hair air dry. That is my personal preference, but I'm sure if you diffuse, you'll get amazing volume. This is day 2. My curls are so soft and so defined. I really didn't have to refresh my hair in the morning, which was so nice. So these are my results from using this particular product from As I Am. Once again, this is the curling jelly. Drop your comments down below. What is your favorite As I Am product? Have you tried this one before? Let me know, and as always, I'll see you guys again. Bye.